Welcome back, guys. This is Leland bringing you another TA of the GRT. Also, we're going to be going into Bitcoin and Ethereum a little bit later on in this video today. I do want to give you guys an update as what is going on with GRT. As you guys can see from the last time I made my video, we were talking about this shift in momentum that was kind of going like that, and then lo and behold, we broke down even further. But still, even look at this shift. Look what it's doing. It's still holding on real strong. This was all, what happened right here was all determined because of Bitcoin. When we had that drop a few days ago, I believe that was on the 3rd, we had what was it, about a 20% drop in Bitcoin, and then all alts just got destroyed. But that didn't deter GRT from its course. It is still rounding out. We are still going, and I still have full faith in this token and what we are going to do. You can see with this candle that we had over here, Bitcoin did drop 10% today and is right back up at that $40,000 level. Unbelievable. But check out this wick on this 4-hour candle. Huge buying right at the bottom over here. People have felt really comfortable with buying at this 28 level. We have that support going all the way back over here when GRT first was born, and this is this kind of bottom that we found. Anything below this level, guys, is uncharted territory. There's really no telling where we're going to go with GRT, and at that point I will be looking to exit my GRT. For the people who are enjoying this content right now, please hit that bell, hit that subscribe, and like the video. I really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and I want to show you guys my new Fibonacci levels that I have made here. This is going to kind of blow your guys' mind a little bit. I want to talk about the potential that GRT has and where we can be going. You can see at this 236 line right here has been acting as resistance for quite some time, even getting above that 236 area and going up to the 382. Still resistance right here. Boom. It was support back here and then became resistance. But like I said, we're starting to have this shift in momentum, and what I want to do is kind of draw this out a little bit longer for you guys. But if we can get above, and I've been saying this for a long time, if we can get above this 40-cent area, we're going to go up and we're going to test 47. Now, the key level to get to, there's two levels I want you guys to look at here. We have the 618 to the 786 right here. Getting into this is a retracement and going up to an attempt to another all-time high for GRT. If we can break up into this 60-cent area over here and move our way up above the 786, all of this is light resistance. All of these other Fibonacci zones up here are resistance, and this is where this is this killer zone is. This is our top. This is our peak right here at this one line right here. Going from here to up here is where you're going to see the major gains, but we still have a very long way for GRT, and we can expect to see more upside. I see a lot of people getting bearish, on GRT. People saying, hey, all these other altcoins are pumping, Bitcoin's pumping. Yeah, you're right, they absolutely are. I mean, if you found, I'm not going to use that analogy, Bitcoin has been the best crypto there is. So if anyone has an opportunity to drop any other coin to go buy Bitcoin, they're going to do it. If the gains are happening in Bitcoin, and right now it's all about Bitcoin, guys. I'm sorry to say it, but these other tokens, these other altcoins, especially with the altcoins in the top 50, some of them are doing good, some of them are doing really good. I mean, let's take a look at District. District was up 140, almost 160% today, guys. You could have bought District. Let's go ahead and go look at it. Why are we talking about it? We have it right down here. District. Boom. Boom, bada boom, bada boom. Okay, where'd it go? Here it is. Check this out. You're insane if you got in on this trade. We knew that we were holding this Fibonacci on this top part over here, but if you were to come in and buy a 4-cent District over here, and guys, we're talking like yesterday and today, you could have got in. Going all the way up, this is unreal. 200%, guys, this doesn't happen. And that's at the retrace. We didn't even go all the way to the top. Okay, let's go all the way to the top. Let's say you did buy down there. 258%, 260%. This does not happen. These are unforeseen events that happen with crypto that you just get lucky on. And I will say, I was looking on Coinbase the other day, and I was saying, well, I want to find a low market cap coin, and I want to get it low. And I was looking at this one right here, and this is when I started doing my fibs, and we got above. You can see we bounced in this fib, we got above it, and we were hanging around it, but I wasn't really sure because we were hanging so long right here, and of course it popped. You can't find these things. You can't pick out these things. They're just not gonna come to you. Let's take a look at Bitcoin before we go back to GRT. I do want to show you guys what's been happening on the bit. Let's go to a 15-minute chart. Huge drawdown. Huge. We went up and we hit $40,000, almost 500, and then we had this correction around this area, guys, right here. Okay, there was an order that I saw to sell 600 Bitcoin at this top. Once we broke above the $40,000 level, that $600 Bitcoin sell disappeared, but everybody saw it and was thinking it was going to dump as soon as it came up, and it hit that 4,400 and whatever level. People were expecting we're going to go up. What did people do? They set long positions. They set leveraged long positions after we got above that 40,100, 40,200, because people thought it was going to be going up. Well, guess what? They got liquidated, and they got liquidated hard. And they put the order in and they lost it automatically with this 10%, over 10% drawdown that we had. But let me just reiterate how strong and how powerful this supply and demand is with Bitcoin right now, guys. We had a 10% drop in a day. We dropped thousands, $4,000, more than $4,000 in a given period right here. And we're talking within 40 minutes, maybe an hour, this happened. And we are right back up. Check out this wick down here. Look at this wick. Boom. That buying right there all pushed it all the way back up, and we are almost back above 40K. I'm telling you guys, this supply and demand factor with Bitcoin is insane. It is here to stay, and people are buying it no matter what price it is, because I do plan on, oh, you know what? I do want to show you guys this little bit of news here too. Okay, we're going to make this a lengthy video. Hope you guys are strapped into your seats here. Check this out. This is the Brave New Coin Liquid Index. Okay, I'm going to make this pretty for you guys right now. But check this out, okay? Let's go to a weekly. Look how these Fibonacci frequencies match up with this so well. You can see we've had this long curve. This is going back to the birth of Bitcoin, guys. The birth of Bitcoin back in 2009, in January 3rd, I believe it was, or 4th. It's the 3rd. This resistance up here, guys, we've just been holding this whole time, and look where we're at right now. Okay, if you can see this middle line, there's this median. I wish I had this kind of drawn out for you guys beforehand, but let me just go ahead and just make that green. I'll make this resistance and this support same colors. There we go. I want to measure, and I want to show you guys exactly what kind of moves we were seeing here. Here's the bottom where we were touching the support before we went on this bull cycle right here. I don't want to measure over here because it was kind of the start and it was kind of messy. So really, I want to go from this support right here to the median, which is this green line, which is in the middle. So we can call it a heart line, basically. So we went up and we hit at that median level 600%, 600%, right there at that median. After we went above that median, guys, after we went above, we came down and we broke it and we went up. That move right there is where the money maker is. So we had that 600, go to the top. Look at that, almost 8,000%. Going over that median puts us in a super cycle that catapults us to the top of that resistance in this so-called rainbow chart, right? Okay, let's do another one. Well, let's do another one. Back down here, we're going to look at this bottom point here. We're going to go up to the median, and we're looking at about a 33 cent, up 33 cent. Sorry, we couldn't see it for a second. Can I redo that? Okay, from the bottom up, let's say 400%. We went to the top, 2,000%. There's a 4 times difference, guys. From going here to here is massive. Here we are right now. We are approaching that heart line as we speak. You guys think it was crazy going from here up to this median line? This measly 200 and something%? Okay, granted, we are slowing down. We are getting less of percentage gain as we go. But nevertheless, after we break this median line right here, guys, we're going to go up, and at a minimum, I believe that this chart is actually going to get destroyed. Just like how we have this break down here with Bitcoin coming down below. If it were me and I was looking at this chart and I had millions, hundreds, millions of dollars and I saw that, I would think Bitcoin was going to die. And I think everyone did think Bitcoin was going to die. And what an opportunity of a lifetime to try to scoop up some Bitcoin at $4,000. No more than a year ago. No more than a year ago. Could you guys ever dream that we're going to be at $40,000? No, I didn't think you could. I didn't. Not this quick. Absolutely not. Either way, let's say we go on this super cycle and we go to the top and we hit this resistance up here, guys. I think that's going to take a little time, so we're going to scoot over. You're looking at $100,000 Bitcoin. $100,000 Bitcoin. Personally, this market, let's make it bigger. This market over here looks too much alike. Let's use our right here. We're getting this up, this verticalness right here. We're getting this verticalness. We didn't get that right here. Look at that. We had this 30% drawdown right here, or 30, 40%. We kept having these 30, 40%, and that's what everyone keeps talking about. We're going to have these retracements. They're going to be 30, 40%. Well, guess what? We're not having them. And if we are, they're only between 10 to 20%, and they're bought up instantly. Instantly. The supply is wanted and needed. That's because PayPal on an everyday basis is buying way more Bitcoin. The people on PayPal are buying way more Bitcoin that is mined every single day alone with just PayPal. We have Venmo, Robinhood, Coinbase, all the other exchanges, Binance, Gemini, Kraken, all these other exchanges that you can go buy Bitcoin, but we're not minting it enough per day. That's a supply shock. Anyways, I'm going on a little rant here. Let's go ahead and let's go back to GRT. I do want to keep you guys in the loop over here. What do I expect to see with the GRT? Because I think this is one of those tokens, one of those coins that you can get into early, and this can be your Bitcoin back in 2009, 2011. This really could be. I don't know if you guys know, but ETH is coming out with an ETF, and it's coming out ETF, electronically traded fund. This is going to be coming out within very soon. I'm not exactly sure. They haven't set a release date, but this is going to be a publicly traded stock that people can buy, the hedge funds can buy, that the retirement people who have their 401ks right now can go put all their money into this new Ethereum ETF. When that happens, guys, you will see Ethereum explode. But I'm all over the place. Let's focus on what's happening with GRT. I know that's why you guys are here. If you guys want to hear more about other coins or maybe altcoins or maybe Bitcoin, whatever, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to make videos on that too, guys. I do apologize. I was very busy with family and my mining rigs last week. I don't know if you guys heard, but they switched the DAG size. I was doing a bunch of updates still, and I'm looking to expand my mining operation right now. So very busy with that, and like I said, family. So, but if you guys are liking this content, please go ahead, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'm bringing more videos to you guys here in the near future. Let's go ahead and take a look at the RSI. Getting a little lag there. That was weird. So yeah, look, we're down here short term. We're talking very, very short term. GRT is still very, it's underbought right now. We're not quite at that 30 left, but no one says we have to go down to 30 to be underbought. Do I think it's a good time to buy some GRT? Why? Because Bitcoin is already starting to make moves to the upside. We might do a little consolidation, but we're going to be breaking 40K here really soon, guys. And we're going straight to 46K after that. And after that, we're going to 52K after that. And it's just insane. It's hard not to be super ecstatic about what's going on in the space right now. Let's get rid of our this log. All right, GRT, making mistakes. It's okay. 4 hour on the RSI, we've had this huge dip. We're kind of coming down to this median level, about 50 here on the RSI. Not too overbought. You can see we were still kind of overbought in this area a little. You know, I don't even want to say overbought because anything overbought is going to be over 70, and the RSI on the 4 hour chart is still kind of unreliable just because of how new it is. Guys, GRT is a very new coin. I'm not going to be 100% on what's going on. These are just my opinions and what I think is going to happen with GRT. So right now, okay, here's a better way of looking at it. We are in the 1 hour and the RSI is fairly low at this point. Could we see some further downside? Sure. Do I think we're going to go below 28? Whew, if we do, we're in trouble. I really don't want that to happen, but if it does, guys, just make sure you have your sell orders ready. This is not in fact financial advice, but that is what I would do, and it's just my opinion. Let's go ahead and take a look at the MACD, the histograms. Oh yeah, let's get rid of this RSI. On that downward swing right now. We are on that downward swing. Who knows how long? Okay, so now looking at more data, we could see a little bit more further downside to this. But like I said, guys, that momentum is shifting. GRT is going to be getting all that money from Bitcoin, from all those other weak hands on the retail side who will be selling their Bitcoin are going to be putting into other alts because they're expecting all season to come, and it is coming. Whether you want to believe it or not, it is coming, guys. So this video is already way too long. I was going to go into another thing, but anyways, if you guys are liking this, again, like, subscribe, hit the bell. I'm going to be putting out more videos. Sorry for the little bit of gap. I was busy. GRT all the way, guys. This is going to be huge. Paired with Ethereum, this Oracle on top of Ethereum is going to be massive. Mark my words. Look, mark my channel. Seeing a 34-cent GRT is going to be like seeing a $1 Bitcoin back in 2009. It's going to blow your head off. Anyways, thanks for coming, guys. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.